Manganese and water treatment. Manganese is sometimes present in groundwater. In excess concentrations, it can cause water discoloration and affect taste. Various methods, including oxidation and filtration, are used to remove manganese from water. Discovery. Manganese compounds were used by ancient civilizations, but manganese as an element was first isolated and recognized as a distinct metal by the Swedish chemist Johann Gottlieb Gahn and the German chemist Carl Wilhelm Scheele in the late 18th century. Abundance in Earth's crust. Manganese is relatively abundant in the Earth's crust and is the 12th most abundant element. It is commonly found in minerals such as pyrolusite and rhodochrosite. Role in steel production. Manganese is a crucial alloying element in steel production. It improves the strength, hardness, and wear resistance of steel. The use of manganese in steel is particularly important for the production of high-strength alloys. Manganese nodules. Manganese nodules are potato-sized rocks found on the ocean floor. They contain high concentrations of manganese, iron, nickel, and other elements. Interest in exploring manganese nodules for potential mining has been ongoing. Biological role. Manganese is an essential trace element for many living organisms. It plays a role in various biological processes, including enzyme activation, bone formation, and the metabolism of amino acids, cholesterol, and carbohydrates. Manganese and photosynthesis. Manganese is a component of the oxygen-evolving complex in photosystem II, a crucial part of the photosynthetic process in plants. It facilitates the splitting of water molecules and the release of oxygen during photosynthesis. Manganese dioxide in batteries. Manganese dioxide, MnO2, is used as a cathode material in dry cell batteries, such as alkaline batteries. It allows for the efficient production of electrical energy. Manganese compounds in pigments. Manganese compounds are used in the production of pigments for ceramics, paints, and inks. Manganese oxide is known for creating brown, black, and purple colors. Manganese and water treatment. Manganese is sometimes present in groundwater. In excess concentrations, it can cause water discoloration and affect taste. Various methods, including oxidation and filtration, are used to remove manganese from water. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more.